Guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm in Texas Roadhouse and I have been eating with my mom here before. And guys, today we're gonna do our food review. Please click the subscribe button and notification bell for more updates. Okay, let's try my mac and cheese. The macaroni is normal and nice. Well, the cheese is too much cheesy. Okay, guys, time for the mashed potato. Wait.
This is potato.
What? Guys, that is really weird of the mashed potato. Doesn't even taste good. Come on, mom. I'm not trying to eat it. Wait, what was put there? I still I'm gonna take the scoop water muna, guys.
Mainit na.
There. Okay, guys, time for the bread. Now, a fork. Okay, guys. Oh, that's hot and steamy. That bread is tastes good. It has that enough balanced flour, balanced cornstarch.
This one your beef.
Yeah.
About your beef.
Guys,
About your this one, ribeye.
I didn't order that.
Okay. Okay, enough na.
I won't take there.
Okay na.
Bye guys, and let's make this at 25,000 views. Hit the notification bell and subscribe, and also comment if you want to say anything. And bye. Guys, this is the important new lemon toast donut. I never tried this before. Let's try it. Okay. A deep breath. That bread is fine. The lemon cream is sweet, and then this lemon toast. So sugar. And guys, remember to hit the notification bell, subscribe, and comment if you want to. Don't forget, let's make it at 25,000 views. Bye. Remember to click the link in the description. It is Tim Hortons. Bye. Oh, that's so good. This time I'm gonna buy this lemon cross again. Oh, Thanks for your